In this example, I'm going to show you how to create simple shapes using the Geometric Shapes tool. We're going to start off with the Rectangle tool. From the main toolbar, select the Rectangle tool. Simply click and drag a box on the screen. The size of the rectangle is indicated by the width and height controls above. While clicking and dragging, if you hold the Control key down, it will lock you into be a perfect square. You can release the Control key to draw a rectangle, or you can set the size for the width and the size with these two controls. Clicking the lock key will lock it into a perfect square, so that whatever parameter you set, the opposite will also be controlled. The Enable Hole function will allow you to create a void in the center. The width of this border is controlled by the width. The recipe, depending upon your level, you may have several different recipes. Normally, we'll use normal fill, satin line, or running stitch. We're going to select normal fill for this, and we're just going to build the stitches and create a fill area. There you have a basic square. These shapes are fully editable by selecting Block Edit and then picking your option. Perhaps you want a running stitch or satin line or any other recipe that you may have. And that's how you create a simple shape with the Geometric Shapes Rectangle tool.